guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Zine, and today I'm doing a no foundation, like everyday makeup look. My hair's kind of crazy, I'm sorry. Yeah, it's summer right now. Well, summer's almost over, but it's summer, and I know that I personally really hate wearing foundation just because my skin gets very oily and I look like a grease ball by the end of the day, no matter how much powder I use. So this is just like a simple little look. So yeah, I hope you all enjoy it. Let's get into it.
Hey guys, tiny disclaimer. So I realized that it looks like I'm not wearing a shirt, but I'm wearing a dress. It's just I didn't want to wear the jacket with it because I didn't want to get makeup on the jacket. It's a strapless dress. And I realize the way I position the camera kind of looks like I'm not wearing anything, but I am. So yeah, let's get into it. Okay, bye.